Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear student, today our topic is word problem EMB book page 63 and 73 and lecture number 20, HW number 19. Look, EMB page 63. That means elementary mathematics books, that means this book, okay, elementary mathematics books, short name is EMB book. Question number 3 and question number 5, this question is taken from EMB page 63, okay. Question number 3 and 5 has taken from page 63. Look, there are 10 benches in a classroom. 5 pupils can sit on a bench. Okay, how many pupils can sit in total in the classroom? Look, there are 10 benches. How many benches in the classroom? 10 benches in the classroom. 5 pupils can sit on a bench. That means in one bench 5 pupils can sit. Then how many pupils can sit in total in the classroom? That means how many pupils can sit in total in the classroom? Okay, that means we have to determine the number of pupils. Okay, look, in one bench, right, in one bench can be sit. In one bench can sit how many? In one bench can sit 5 pupils. 5 pupils. Okay. In one bench can sit 5 pupils. Therefore, in 10 benches, 10 benches can sit more students or more pupils, so we have to multiplication. Look, 10 into 5, right here, pupils. Now 10 5s are what number? 10 5s are 50, right here, 50 pupils. Okay, now write the answer. 50 pupils. Okay, now I'll solve the question number 5. Look, Ujwal wants to buy 4 books. That means he wants to buy 4 books. His book cost 21 taka. That means the price of one book is 21 taka. How much does he pay? That means how much taka does he has to pay? Look, right, the price of one book, right, the price of one book, the price of one book is how much taka? The price of one book is 21 taka. Okay, look, is book cost, that means the price of one book is 21 taka. Okay, therefore the price of 4 books, the price of 4 books is taka 21 into 4. This is equal to what? Look, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That means 84 taka. Write the answer. Answer 84 taka. Okay. Now I will solve the question number 8, which is taken from EMB page 73. Okay. Look, at first you read the questions. 8 students make a group in each. If there are 72 students, then how many groups will be there? That means you have to determine how many groups. That means 8 students make one group. Okay, right? 8 students make one group. 8 students make one group. Therefore, how many students here? There are 72 students. Therefore, 70 students make 72 division 8. Okay? Right here groups is equal to what? 72 division 8. You know 8 9s are what number? 8 9s are 72. So right here 9. 9 groups. Write the answer. Answer 9 groups. Okay. Now I will solve the question number 9, which is also page number 73. Look, question number 9. A student is reading a book of 54 pages. That means the book contains 54 pages. If she reads 6 pages in a day, then how many days will take to finish reading this book? That means you have to determine how many days. So days will be in the right side. Right? She reads 6 pages in one day. Therefore, this is the therefore sign. Therefore, she reads how many pages? 54 pages. 54 pages. She reads 54 pages in 54 division 6. You divide 54 by 6. We know 6 9s are. Look, you divide 54 by 6. Okay? Then we get 9. Okay, because 6 9s are 54. Right here, days. 6 9s are 54. Okay? Dear student, you can divide like this way. You know 6 9s are 54. Okay? 6 9s are 54. Now you write the answer. 9 days. Okay, dear student, like this way you have to solve the problem. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about our HW. You see, this is HW number 19, EMB page 63, question number 3. There are 10 benches in a classroom. 5 pupils can sit on a bench. How many pupils can sit in total in the classroom? Okay. Dear student, your assigned HW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your CT marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Dear student, you have to keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.